Hello everyone. When we say our cars are out of this world, this is not exactly what we mean. But hey, who really knows what the future will bring? Today, I'm also daring to look into the future at the recreation of our icon, the mighty G. We are driving electrification in every segment. I bet nobody will deny that G-Class is an absolute legend. With its robust design and strong character, it is an off-roader like no other. And we are very proud of that. For the next chapter of this everlasting story, we plan to bring the best of two worlds together. The strong character of the G and the progressive luxury of our EQ models. The Concept EQG offers a first impression of a possible outcome. Most important, it is a true G-Class. Yet, striking details underline its all-electric approach. The black panel grille features a completely new pattern. There's also the illuminated side guards, the wallbox-inspired spare wheel cover, and the sleek roof rack, and many other details. And then there is also the technology. You are probably wondering, will the EQG have the off-road performance of the current G-Class? The answer is simple: absolutely. I can't provide details because we still have some work to do before the production vehicle comes to market in a few years. But believe me, its powertrain has the right DNA. 4 electric motors with lots of power. They are positioned close to the wheels and can be individually controlled. A new rear axle and a 2-speed gearbox for typical G performance, on and off-road. To sum it up, in our Concept EQG, legendary design meets progressive e-drive technology. This is the perfect fusion of Mercedes heritage and future sustainability.